recognise the tremendous difficulty that this virus situation is bringing to all of us over the coming months. And the big feature that is common across all businesses is the ability to conserve cash. And with that backdrop, we know that the possibility of selling machine tools over the coming months will be few and far between. Nevertheless, there are likely to be disruptions in supply chain as the parts are coming in from abroad, and also short-term ramp-up of capacity as UK manufacturing tries to support the initiatives that the government have put in place. And to support that, Kingsbury's are putting a short-term rental package together that allows you to avail yourselves of some of the equipment that we've got for 2, 3, 4 months to allow you to get over the hump that you have in production, but without draining your cash reserves. So if you're interested, please visit our website where more details can be found.